Ranta Palantushki Valida Parita Kazonte Valitisha Balabush Randa Kapalata Balabushki Validesh Rete Balabushki Valida Sovramando Parita Kutapiranda Kazuvalidesha Libra Hasonasta Valide Japeta Kapalante Palideja Balabush Paruta Sonta Kipadosh Kefaida Sonte Payante Lando Kashuba Hasolafa Diabush Pareza Dosh Kevalideja Barante Kapalabush Libra Suvabush Kafaida Pradosh Rapa Katubu Diakatu Pakiteja Balabusha Lutta Kapuske Vahidabushke Prayanta Parenta Sunta Kipabushke Paridesha Pareza Bushke Vadushka Lida Sufahila Pareza Bushka Varideshka Prayanta Ranta Kasanta Kaparanta Kapalane Lida Bushke Prayanta Sufamande Peruza Lida Parabushke Lukudeske Palena Supalanda Randa Kapalanda Penta Shepa Kutebeta Bando Karata Paladesh He is rising. He is rising. He is rising. It's okay. May you take your seats. Hallelujah. Kumnandi kubalapha. It's nice to be here. Kasi sekapa. Bati moroni. And the bata kondo tata. Uyabava basita kondo. Okay. Can I go deep with closer? I'm feeling like I'm going to preach with closer today. You know, sometimes when you're selling snake, you feel like he's gonna beat me, bite me. So you go like, I'm selling snake. And you become too serious. You just tell your neighbor, uti kumunandi kubalapha.
It is nice to be here.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yesterday when I was here, there is a prayer that I heard. And you know, it's so hard to say it. Especially when you have got someone who downloads things in the realm of the spirit.
Especially
you feel like he's going to mark for you. And when you get home, he's going to ask you, what were you trying to say? But let me say it. Then you see me when I'm home. There's a prayer that I heard yesterday. The prayer was going like, I knew when, oh Lord. I knew when, oh Lord. I knew when, oh Lord.
Until when, oh Lord.
It seems like the person has been praying this prayer for long. If you are here today,